Hello, welcome to Mimi Mom and Me. This is Mimi, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly personalize an Easter Bunny letter for your kids. It's pretty simple. Just sign into the Zazzle link that I put below in the description, and I'll put links to both boy letters and girl letters. So all you do is you hit Personalize this template on the right-hand side, and you can see where you edit the name, put in your child's name, and it will automatically change over there on the left-hand side. And then if you can just leave the letter exactly how you want, how it is, or you can change it if you want to whatever text that you want it to say, if you want to personalize it further or whatever. Otherwise, you can just leave it as it is. But so you just type in whatever you want to type in there, and it'll like automatically fit onto the letter. So you can see I'm changing the text, just writing something quick. It's hard to type and talk at the same time. So just add in whatever you want there and fill up the page as much as you want to. Sorry that's taking me so long. I'm not good at multitasking, I guess. Okay, then you're done. Just click Add to Cart. It is a two-sided, I forgot to show you in the video, but it is a two-sided letter, and it is pretty stiff. It won't go in an envelope. It's a pretty thick paper. So if you like these tutorials, subscribe, and happy Easter to all of you.